Ever wondered what it would be like to take a vacation trip to Jamaica? The allure of the Caribbean is undeniable, and one of its crown jewels, Jamaica, is our focus today. We'll embark on a virtual journey to explore its popular attractions, thrilling events, and unforgettable adventures. From the pristine beaches to the pulsating reggae rhythms, we're about to delve into the heart of this vibrant island nation. So buckle up as we take you on a virtual tour to the heart of the Caribbean, Jamaica. Jamaica, a paradise island, is not just about beautiful beaches and crystal-clear waters. It's a treasure trove of natural wonders and breathtaking landscapes that beckon the explorer in you. Imagine standing at the base of Dunn's River Falls, an enchanting cascade that tumbles 600 feet into the Caribbean Sea. Feel the mist on your face as you ascend the terrace steps, hand in hand with fellow adventurers, forming a human chain of camaraderie. The cool, fresh water is invigorating, a true testament to the raw, untamed beauty of Jamaica. From the falls, we journey to the peaks of the Blue Mountains, the longest mountain range in Jamaica. These mountains are home to exotic wildlife, lush vegetation, and the world-renowned Blue Mountain coffee. Picture yourself hiking through a misty morning, the aroma of coffee beans wafting through the air as you make your way to the summit. The view at the top is unparalleled, a panoramic vista of the island, the Caribbean Sea, and on a clear day, even Cuba, 90 miles away. But the adventure doesn't stop there. We delve into the heart of the island, to the Green Grotto Caves. This network of limestone caves offers a unique glimpse into Jamaica's past, as they once served as a haven for the island's first inhabitants, the Arawak Indians. As you traverse through the echoing chambers, you'll marvel at the stunning stalactites and stalagmites and perhaps even catch a glimpse of the elusive Jamaican fruit bat. Whether it's the rush of climbing a waterfall, the tranquility of a mountain hike, or the thrill of exploring ancient caves, Jamaica offers a feast for the senses. Each experience is a testament to the island's rich natural tapestry, a symphony of sights, sounds, and sensations that will leave you yearning for more. These are just a glimpse of Jamaica's natural beauty, but there's more to this Caribbean gem. Moving beyond the natural beauty, Jamaica's rich culture and history are equally captivating. This island nation wears its vibrant culture on its sleeve and carries a history that has shaped its people and landscapes in the most profound ways. One place where this culture comes alive is the Bob Marley Museum. Situated in the capital city of Kingston, this museum is the former home of the legendary reggae musician Bob Marley. A visit here is like stepping into the life of the man who put reggae on the world map. You'll see Marley's personal belongings, his gold and platinum records, and even the bullet holes from an assassination attempt. His spirit lingers in every corner, and his music fills the air, reminding us of his message of love, peace, and unity. Moving from Kingston to the northern coast, we find the Rose Hall Great House in Montego Bay. This Georgian mansion, with its white exterior and high ceilings, is a stark contrast to the lush greenery surrounding it. Once the home of the infamous White Witch Annie Palmer, it's steeped in tales of love, betrayal, and voodoo. A tour of the house and its splendid antique-filled rooms is a gateway to the island's colonial past. Now let's sail to Port Royal, known as the wickedest city on earth during its heyday in the 17th century. Once a haven for pirates and buccaneers, it was one of the wealthiest and most infamous cities in the world. Today, its remnants and underwater ruins serve as a haunting reminder of the city swallowed by the sea in the Great Earthquake of 1692. But history and culture in Jamaica aren't confined to museums or old houses. They reverberate in the pulsating beats of reggae music that echo from every corner of the island. This island's rhythm is its heartbeat, its soul, its essence. It's in the laughter of the people, their warmth, their resilience, and their unyielding spirit. Immersing in Jamaica's culture and history is indeed a journey back in time, but it's also a journey into the heart of a nation that thrives on its past, celebrates its present, and looks forward to its future with a rhythmic optimism that's uniquely Jamaican. No trip to Jamaica is complete without indulging in its tantalizing cuisine. As we continue our journey through Jamaica, let's dive into the heart of the Caribbean, its food. One of the most defining aspects of any culture is its cuisine, and in Jamaica, it's a vibrant celebration of flavors and textures that will make your taste buds sing. First on our flavorful journey is the iconic jerk chicken. It's not just a dish, but an experience. The chicken is marinated in a rich blend of spices, including Scotch bonnet peppers and allspice, then slow-cooked over pimento wood. The result is a smoky, spicy, and succulent delight that perfectly encapsulates the spirit of Jamaica. Now, let's move on to the national dish of Jamaica, ackee and saltfish. Ackee, a fruit native to West Africa, is cooked with salted cod, onions, and tomatoes to create a dish that's both hearty and comforting. Its unique flavor profile is a testament to Jamaica's rich history and cultural blend. But we can't forget about the humble patty. This flaky, golden pastry is usually filled with spicy ground beef, but you can also find variants with chicken, vegetables, or even shrimp. It's a staple snack across the island, perfect for a quick bite on the go. Jamaican cuisine is also a testament to the island's abundance of fresh fruits and vegetables. From the sweet, succulent mangoes to the tartness of the tamarind, Jamaica's tropical climate lends itself to a cornucopia of produce that adds a fresh, vibrant dimension to its dishes. Each of these dishes is a story, a narrative of Jamaica's history, its people, and its cultural influences. The African, Indian, Chinese, and European influences are all woven into a unique tapestry of flavors that make Jamaican cuisine truly one of a kind. And let's not forget about the island's world-renowned Blue Mountain coffee. With its smooth, rich flavor and mild bitterness, it's the perfect way to start or end your day. So make sure to bring your appetite when you visit this culinary paradise. From its fiery jerk chicken to its comforting ackee and saltfish, every bite in Jamaica is a taste of the Caribbean. Jamaica is also a hub for thrilling events and adventures. The island nation has a bustling calendar of annual events that draw visitors from all over the globe. One of the most renowned is the Reggae Sumfest, a week-long celebration of Jamaica's indigenous music. This festival, held every summer, has been going strong for over 30 years, attracting top international artists and reggae enthusiasts alike. It's a vibrant, pulsating event that truly encapsulates the spirit of Jamaica. Then there's the Port Antonio International Marlin Tournament, which has been a fixture of Jamaican life since the mid-20th century. It's a thrilling spectacle where seasoned anglers and first-timers alike can test their skills against the mighty blue marlin. This event not only offers an electrifying competition, but also contributes to the preservation of marine life, as all marlins caught are tagged and released back into the sea. But the adventures don't stop at events. Jamaica also offers a plethora of exhilarating activities tailored to quench your thirst for thrill and excitement. Imagine river rafting on the Martha Brae River, a serene 3-mile journey through lush greenery and exotic flora. The river, named after a legendary indigenous woman, is steeped in local folklore, adding an extra layer of intrigue to your gentle yet thrilling ride. For those who prefer a more adrenaline-fueled adventure, zip-lining through the verdant rainforests should be on your list. Feel the rush of wind in your face as you zoom across the treetops, taking in the breathtaking views of the forest canopy and beyond. It's a thrilling experience that gives you a bird's-eye view of Jamaica's stunning natural beauty. Whether you're a music lover, an angler, a history buff, or an adrenaline junkie, Jamaica has something for everyone. The island's events and adventures offer the perfect blend of excitement, culture, and natural beauty, making your trip a truly unforgettable experience. These events and adventures are sure to get your adrenaline pumping. So, are you ready to pack your bags for Jamaica? We've traversed through the lush landscapes, from the cascading waterfalls to the majestic blue mountains that make Jamaica a paradise for nature lovers. We've immersed ourselves in the rich culture and history, exploring the vibrant city life, reggae music, and the remnants of Jamaica's past. We've savored the taste of the Caribbean, indulging in the spicy jerk chicken, the sweet ackee and saltfish, and the refreshing Blue Mountain coffee. The culinary journey alone is a reason enough to visit this Caribbean gem. We've also dived into the array of events and adventures that Jamaica has to offer. From the pulsating beats of Reggae Sumfest to the thrilling adventures of bamboo rafting on the Martha Brae River, Jamaica is a festival of experiences waiting to be discovered. In essence, Jamaica is not just a travel destination, it's a vibrant tapestry of experiences, a symphony of sights, sounds, and tastes that leave an indelible mark on your soul. It's a place that invites you to immerse yourself in its warm embrace, to lose yourself in its rhythm, and to find a piece of yourself in its beauty. So whether you're a seasoned globetrotter seeking a new adventure, or a first-time traveler looking for an unforgettable journey, Jamaica welcomes you with open arms and a heart full of rhythm. Whether you are a first-time traveler or a returning visitor, Jamaica has something unique to offer. So, see you in Jamaica.